tofu scramble. Did I already warm it? No, I didn't already warm it. So I'm gonna put that in the microwave a little bit more. This one is really good. It's got mushrooms in it, spinach, lots of seasoning as well. And I'm also gonna do some avocado toast and some fruit. I think I'm gonna grab a pomegranate. Baby J, she's already eating the same thing. All right, honey? So for my coffee, I'm doing something different right now. Half of it is espresso. And then the other half, I do a mushroom tea, like a medicinal mushroom tea, and I mix them. And it is so delicious, so much more flavor. This one is ashwagandha and chaga. So good. Okay, so tofu scramble is perfect. It's so easy to make. It's so filling. I actually did not make it today. I made it like yesterday or 2 days ago. And so I just basically meal prep my tofu scramble, and I always eat it with the avocado toast. I basically eat it like this. So the tofu scramble's on top. So good. All right, we are gonna head out right now and go to the park, but before we do, I'm gonna take my vitamins. This video is sponsored by Ritual, and as you guys know, this is the only multivitamin that I take, and I've been taking it now for a little over 1.5 years. No, maybe longer, because Baby J is almost 2 years old. Wow, okay, so I've been taking it a long time. I take my vitamins every morning after I've had my breakfast and before I leave the house, and I always take Ritual. I take the Essential for Women, and I really like this one because all of the nutrients are vegan sources. It's very clean, doesn't have any artificial fillers or any fillers at all, no weird stuff. And more importantly, it has just 9 essential nutrients that really help to fill any gaps that you might have in your diet, especially those nutrients that are more difficult to get. For example, D, omega-3s, vitamin K. You know, when I was pregnant, I was taking their prenatal vitamin. I was like nervous about taking multivitamins because they had so many ingredients, and I read about how most multivitamins or prenatal vitamins, they don't actually have the most absorbable forms, bioavailable forms of the nutrients. For example, folate. I like that Ritual has the actual bioavailable source of all of the nutrients that are in the capsules. I have a code down below that you can use to save 10% off your first 3 months of Ritual. You order it online and it comes delivered straight to your door. The packaging is super sustainable. The plastic bottle is recyclable. I love it. Give it a try. Link is down below. So you guys know I don't have a backyard anymore, so no longer doing backyard composting. So instead I bring it here to this local community garden. It's so convenient because I just collect all my food scraps throughout the week, and I come here once a week to just drop them off. You don't have to stir it, you don't have to do anything. I'm just gonna dump it here in this bin or bucket and go. Have a nice hike. It's like 85 degrees out today. So warm, and it's so pretty and bright and clear. So I'm gonna go for a hike after this.
For more bubbles again?
Well, okay, I'll blow you more bubbles, I promise. But first, can you tell us what you're having for lunch right now? Okay, I'll tell everybody. She's having rice and the chickpea tagine, which is the same thing that I'm going to eat after I finish blowing bubbles. Bubbles!
Popping.
Popping! Okay, now before I eat lunch, and while she's eating, I actually have to finish up on some work from yesterday. Work pertaining to food. So this is some tempeh, marinated tempeh. I just have to finish filming it. I have to cook it also, but also finish filming it, plate it, do some beauty shots of it, and then I can finally eat. That's probably gonna be a couple hours, but that's what I'm working on now. All right, so I finally can eat lunch now. It is 3:10, it's so late. Baby J is even awake now, but I have been taking photos and finishing up another video. I'll link to that because by the time I post this other video will be live. So I'll link to it. It's a meal prep video. So I just had to take some photos and video of the different meal prep combinations. And lucky me, now I can eat. I'm actually not sure which one I want to eat. I kind of want a little bit of everything. So I have the tempeh sandwich with roasted vegetables. This is a maple mustard tempeh, which is like the best tempeh. And this is my Moroccan tagine. And I have that with rice and herbs and tahini. And then I also made a kale salad with the tempeh. Kale, tempeh, avocado, some pear, roasted vegetables, quinoa, pumpkin seeds. So this is what I'm gonna have for lunch. I'm gonna have a little bit of everything. Well, I don't have a spoon. Okay, I don't have a fork. Since I have no utensils right here, let's just start with this sandwich, which is, it's got so much avocado and arugula. And the best sourdough. Been watching TikTok too much. I need to put a timer lock on my phone so that after I think, well, it depends. 15 minutes at a time is enough. Quick call. Yeah, that's probably enough. Simple salad, but not so simple because it's got this marinated tempeh. That is like the easiest thing to make. The marinade has like 5 ingredients. You pour it over some chopped up tempeh and let it sit overnight, or just let it sit until you're ready to cook it. And then in order to cook it, all I did was put the container, which was a baking dish, that I was marinating in, I just stuck it in the oven. And that was it. I let it cook for half an hour while I went about my business. It's like the easiest thing ever, and it tastes like from a restaurant. Really good. Okay guys, Baby J should be down here for dinner, but she's not yet, and I've been working on my computer. I'm trying to post a video, and in the meantime, I'm gonna give myself a quick snack. Oh wow, you can see, oh, my kitchen is so messy. Don't look at that. Let's go right here. It's not so messy anymore. Okay, I'm gonna make myself a quick snack. The thing that I have been eating all the time recently, and I just really started, is granola with milk or with yogurt. Let's do it. This is Nature's Path Love Crunch. It's like chocolate with actual pieces of chocolate and berries. So this, and then I'm gonna use some Oatly for my milk, and then let me go get a bowl. Let me get a bowl. Bowl. I'm gonna use this bowl. My favorite new snack now. Perfect. All right, I just got out of the shower. I have my head wrap on. I feel like $1,000,000 all of a sudden, and I did not feel like that before. I got a shipment of wine, 12 bottles of wine today, and I'm gonna open one. How about this one? Too tired to cook. I was gonna cook something else for this video, but I did meal prepping and I have a lot of food in the refrigerator still. So I'm gonna eat that tagine, which by the way, I didn't actually eat for lunch, I ate the other things. So I'm gonna have the tagine right now for dinner and watch some Netflix and chill. Time for dinner and my wine. I'm gonna watch Netflix. So I'm watching this show, Surviving Death, which is so good. I'm on episode 2 and I fell asleep last night trying to watch even more, but it is super good. So I'm gonna pick up with this. What are you guys watching? Let me know in the comments down below. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know if you want to see more What I Eat in a Day videos. And I'll see you guys next time. I'm really tired, so cheers. Happy Friday. Good night. This is my party self on the sofa, having dinner, relaxing.